Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about a new phone that's out on Boost Mobile. So it's pretty cool. It came out, and I think I want to share it with you guys and see what it has to offer and see if you guys are willing to pick it up or if you want me to pick it up. So we'll go to phones, all phones, and it's going to be here on the bottom, guys. And there she is, the Moto G Power. So check it out, guys. Very nice phone, as you can see. So like I said, it's a newer phone, just came out, at least on Boost Mobile. So I know some other people have it, but like I said, this is a real nice phone. It's on Boost Mobile's network now, so let's talk about it. So this phone was retailing for $170, currently on sale for $99.99. $70 savings and an additional savings of 15% off if you use 15 Android 2021. You can use that code and you will save 15% off this phone and other phones. But if you don't want to miss out on promo codes, check out Honey, guys. Honey's a free web browser extension that finds you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Boost Mobile, Metro, Amazon, Walmart, and many more. Get it today on joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic. That will be in the description below, guys. So let's check this phone out. Like I said, as you can see, just let's take a look at it in the first glance. So there's of course, a camera in the front, a front-facing camera. On the right side, you do have, it looks like that's going to be a fingerprint sensor and your power button. Then you have volume up, volume down. And that's about it. In the back is really where the three cameras are in the back. It right there says 48 megapixels. So it tells you it's a 41 or 48 megapixel camera. It's a 1.6 megapixel quad pixel. If it looks a little blurry, but that's really nice little design. It looks like it's a dark brown color, so at least from here it looks like it's a light brown, and then it gets to a black color, which is pretty cool. So I like it. And then of course here's on the side, as you can see, that is kind of indented for the power button. I'm not too sure if it's the fingerprint sensor. Most likely it is, but usually if it's indented like that, it's usually a fingerprint sensor. But it's a little bit cheap. This phone's a little bit cheap price, so maybe it's just indented like that. It look cool. And of course you have volume up, volume down. As you can see, the camera does kind of protrude. I can't even talk today. Sorry, I'm kind of recovering from a cold. The camera basically pops out a little bit. So it's pretty cool. Let's get into the phone specs. So it says, I want longer battery life. So right there tells you that, this phone's focused on battery life. And gorgeous photos. Get Moto G Power with 5,000 milliamp battery. Wow. You can go up to 3 days on a single charge. The Moto G Power packs a 48 megapixel triple camera system, so you can capture stunning images in any light. How about a better view? Watch games, movies, and video chats on ultra wide. Wow, 6.6 inch screen. That's gonna be a big boy. I want to capture more of life. You got it. Wow, this phone is compatible with the expanded network, so that means you're going to be using T-Mobile's network, not Sprint's, because the whole merger thing. Some key specs here, like I said, it's a 6.6 inch display, 48 megapixel camera, 48 hours of talk time, 64 gigs of internal storage. Well, that is really good for under $100, guys. And of course, it does have Android 10. So now, if we scroll down, like I said, the main key features that they want to announce for this is, of course, up to 3-day battery life. It says go the whole weekend. Wow. And then some without stopping to recharge with a massive 5,000 milliamp battery. You get up to 3 days of battery life. Watch videos for 20 hours. Browse your favorite websites for 17 hours. And watch with friends on social media for 19 hours. Now, of course, you're probably going to get the best battery life when you first get the phone, but it will start going pretty, it'll just start getting old as it goes. So it says power to the picture. Wow. Get stunning results in even the most challenging lighting with a 48 megapixel triple camera system. Take sharper, brighter pictures in low light settings thanks to the quad pixel technology. Capture incredible close-up detail with a macro vision camera. And I don't know why there's a period and an and. You should never start a sentence with and after a period, but whatever. It says, and turn, it should have been a comma, sorry, and turn everyday photos into professional portraits using the depth sensor. Wow. And of course, the big screen. I really do like phones with big screens. I'm watching a lot of anime right now, especially when I'm off of work or break time, and I like to have a big screen to watch, and especially in HD. So it says bring shows, movies, games, and video chats to life on an ultra wide screen. The 6.6-inch Max Vision HD Plus display features a large screen to body proportion, so you can see more, play more, enjoy more. Wow. Pretty cool. Finally, to finish off, let's look at the key specs, or some of the specs here. Like I said, this phone does rock a 5,000 mAh battery, 48 hours of talk time, non-removable, so don't even try to stick your your wrench in there or anything like that. It says memory, 4 gigabytes of RAM. Wow, it's not bad. 64 gigabytes of ROM, with support for external micro SD card up to 512 gigabytes. Cool. It says a processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 mobile processor. Operating systems, of course, Android 10, guys. The camera is a 48 megapixel triple rear camera system with a 16 megapixel front. So you get 48 megapixels on the back, 15 or 16, should I say, on God, I don't even know. I'm mixing this up. 48 in the back, 16 in the front is basically what I'm trying to say. Jeez. It's been a long day, man. Display, like I said, does have a 6.6-inch Max Vision display, so you can watch all your favorite YouTube, anime, or any movie you want on this nice screen. It's pretty cool. Does have Bluetooth 5.0. It is a USB Type-C, and it does have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, which is super rare to find in phones these days. So I think that's pretty good, man. Like I said, it must be out for a little bit. I must have not seen it, but if you let me know in the comments below if you guys have even heard of this phone. The name, definitely I've seen it, but the design looks a little bit different. So not bad for under $100, guys. This phone seems to be pretty decent. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Do you want me to purchase this phone and do an unboxing, maybe review and gaming review? Let me know in the comments below, guys, and I'll definitely get to work on that. Like I said, the key specs, I really do like that big screen, nice camera, big battery. That's a real big thing about Motorola phones. If you guys don't know, they go real wild with the battery. Either you get like a 4,000 or 5,000 milliamp battery, which is good for, like I said, people that don't want to charge their phone. And we'll see how that fast charging, if it does have fast charging. Didn't say anything about the fingerprint sensor, so like I said, I'm guessing that's probably just for design, so who knows. But thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, check the description below for a lot of offers. Thank you.